Your girl is going through it. She is busy. She is going through grief. She is going through a lot. So I thought I would share my healthy routine in a hectic schedule, a hectic emotional schedule, mental schedule. Because when you look good, you feel good. First steps, skincare. I have been looking a little saggy and draggy. I've been crying a lot. I've been not sleeping and just not hydrating enough, honestly. So been looking a little crazy. My skin is very dry, irritable, very sensitive skin. But I have found something to look better instantly. That is the Okoa Dual Action Lifting Cream. This stuff is magic. It lifts, it tightens, and it really makes you look like you've been taking better care of yourself. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, wonderful for the skin, and it has a Botox effect, but no needles. It is powered by Ideal Lift, which gives you an instant visible lift. This Ideal Lift has peptide technology in it, so instant. It's amazing for all skin types, even dry, sensitive, breakout prone skin like your girls. Also, Okoa offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it or you don't feel like it's doing, which it will, if you don't feel like it's doing its job, return it. It smooths my skin texture, targets my signs of aging, which I am 37, and it gives my skin just like a radiance. So thank you, Okoa, for sponsoring today's video because we need it. Before you apply the lifting cream, you have to apply your moisturizer. And this is the Okoa Deep Hydration Moisturizer. It is so hydrating, but it's not heavy. And it supports repair of your skin's barrier. Let's apply our moisturizer. I can't wait for you guys to see how the lifting cream lifts my face. It's so crazy to me. Like how a cream can just make me look like I just had a face full of Botox. Ideal Lift peptide technology is insane. Okay, you ready to see this? Here we go. It's so instant and it smells so good. I love that instant tightening in a good way and lifting feeling. Now watch this. Show you one side of my face compared to the other. It blows my mind every time. It's reduced my fine lines. Feels like I have the elasticity in my bounce back. I like that I can feel it working. Like I can feel the lift. Under here, the jowl area, I get so droopy there when I get stressed and I'm not sleeping and I'm too busy to take care of myself. It's so nice. It's so nice. And I love the viscosity of it. You know, the feeling of it. It's not heavy. I mean, this is like 10 shots of espresso to your face. Look at this before and after. So yes, instant results are amazing with the Okoa lifting cream, but the long-term results are even better. I'll have this linked below in the description box. Use my discount code MB15. I will have that in the description box below, as well as the deep hydration moisturizer and the lifting cream. I already feel emotionally better and healthier because when you look good, you feel good. Thank you so much, Okoa, for sponsoring today's video and making me look like I just slept last night. Now that our face is snatched and lifted, it's time to put on some quick makeup. I do have on some DIY lash extensions. I'm still on the fence about them, but they have made my makeup routine very fast. So I really like that, especially right now when I'm going through so much and trying to stay mentally balanced. Looking a little cute all the time helps. But I'm gonna show you my quick and easy and fresh looking makeup routine. You've been enjoying the Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer again. I'm not going to wear any full base product. It's just so much quicker. I'm using the shade 1.4Y. It's a great like under eye concealer shade for me, and all over the face. It's kind of like perfect. I don't have to use two different concealers. And then I'm gonna go under my nose where a lot of my redness is here, and just the center of the forehead, and just some little spots on the face that are a little more red. I am enjoying the green powder trick. I'll link that video below, but that's more of like a process, you know? So damp beauty blender, and I just go in. Have you tried DIY lash extensions? I'm on day 3 and they're still looking pretty decent. Center of the forehead, honestly, not to cover redness, but just to give me a little bit of a highlight. I've been liking that lately. All right, freaking love the new Jones Road blushing sticks. I mean, these are so cute on bare skin. I've really been enjoying them. And I have also been enjoying taking my blush up higher. And it's like an instant, oh, you're cute today? Have you been crying? No, I've been obviously whining and dining. And very happy and not heartbroken. And a little dam on the nose. And then like, look, magnetic, it ain't going nowhere. That concealer does not have to be powdered down, so you can just go. It's self-setting. Brows, just a quick brush through, a little correction. Vive Modern Brow Definer in taupe, and I just like to correct right here. Keep my brows pretty natural, because when you have like a quick face of makeup, if you have like a bold brow, it looks wild. My brow's really lifted with the Koa lifting cream. That's so nice too when you have hooded lids. The lifting cream, it's like an instant brow lift. Well, it is an instant brow lift. I have such trouble with this area right here. Like I can make it look wonky sometimes. Now, eyeshadow is optional. I like to, when I'm wearing light makeup, kind of contour my eyes a little bit, lengthen them a little bit, and it really takes 2 seconds. I love the By Mario Master Mattes palette. I'm gonna take this shade here, and I'm just gonna contour my lids. So it still looks like skin, it's just like a nice little contour. And because we already have our little lash extensions going, just gotta put some mascara on the bottom, gals. Bio Kill Lash Superproof Mascara, and I'm just doing little light strokes to kind of balance out the lash extensions, so not too much on the bottom. Boom. Fresh, pretty, not too heavy, quick, 10-minute makeup. Last but not least, I do want a tad bit of a glow. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Tint Glow. Just pop some of that on my cheeks there. And there's a little bit of coverage in this, so that's kind of nice. It's kind of like a little bit of a cheat code. Same damp sponge. Center of the forehead, just get a little glow going. Build all those colors together. Look at that glow. Can't forget Brooke Face Hack. I love this stuff. I'm gonna use Urban Decay's 24/7 lip liner in Faded, not faded. And these liners last so nicely throughout the day, so you don't have to be worried about you're busy, you don't need to reapply. See how pretty and fresh? Okay, we're feeling way less sad. And I'm just gonna pop on a little more of the Bare Natural. Ready to start the day. And look, my face, I look so... Now I'm gonna cry because I feel beautiful. Face is lifted and tightened. I love this makeup. I love this quick makeup. Maybe I am excited about these lash extensions. It's supplement time. New supplement, I have been loving this right here. Biologica. It is vitamins A, C, D, E, K, B, women in their 20s to 40s, and it tastes amazing. And on busy days, I have been loving protein shake for lunch when I break my fast. I don't have time to sit down and eat, you know? So I just, Blade City, 25 grams of protein, 10 grams of collagen, and you don't need a blender, you just need a shaker. This tastes so good. I just like, oh my gosh, I'll show you, and it fizzes. Okay, let's do this day. Really quick, also I forgot to tell you, I've started taking this creatine. I actually feel like this one makes a difference. Creatine plus HMB, vitamin D. This has actually helped with my endurance, my muscle recovery. I don't feel bloated. 30 to 60 minutes before you work out, you will find yourself crushing your workout, okay? Outfit has to be comfy. I'm bringing my lip combo. It's in the bag. Face still nice and lifted, which makes me happy because I look happy. And we're gonna bring our protein shake and get this done. Well, the hunger just hit. I'm so glad that I have my protein shake. Let's go get these packages and continue this hectic day, but stay positive. Yes, day got more hectic, but packages retrieved. But I feel like I'm still looking lifted, snatched, you know? Gosh, I really liked my outfit today. It was like casual, comfy. Ooh, and I just tripped. I was just about to say, and ignore that, I do have to sort those clothes. But I'm excited because this is the package. Put it on, don't look back, skin that's free to face it all. The Natural Matte Longwear Foundation I will be reviewing. And then we're gonna get to work. Well, we meet again on another day. It has been a week. If any week has been hectic and stressful and just too much, it has been this week. I actually tried to finish filming this video at the end of that day, and girl, I had a full like nervous breakdown, crying. So needless to say, it's been a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again, Akoa, for sponsoring today's video and keeping us lifted and snatched, even though we are really suffering and going through it. You can use my code MB15 for a discount. I will leave the link below to the lifting cream as well as their moisturizer. I love that duo so much. On a positive note though, I got the stain out of my favorite sweater out. Things are looking up. Just keep going. It's day by day. Let me know in the comments below what your routine looks like when you have a very stressful, hectic day, hectic week, or hectic life. It's a wonderful thing to discover a routine that really makes you feel like you can get everything done, still feel beautiful, still feel healthy, and taking care of yourself inside out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.
All right.